Hello and welcome to the pet room. David Bradley here. We're going to do something here. I am. Little by little. I have here 4 original vintage Commodore pets. 4 of them. And I'm going to take this surrogate data set. I'm going to, with great care, no buttons pushed down, no voltages being pulled. I'm going to, rewind. I'm going to press this. Oh, did you know? Okay, that didn't go well. As I have said before, if you have something unplugged and then you expect it to work, it's unlikely to work. Alright, we'll put the keyboard in, turn this back on, and we'll press the shift run stop, which does the cassette, and this will load. It will. And it is searching. It has found Commodore. How joyful. I'm going to take the battery out of here. Okay. Now we'll press stop. Pull this out. I need a low. This will do nothing good. I'll plug the data set back in from inside. Okay. And then we'll move this aside. We will. Penny, can you hold this data set? No, I didn't think so. Alright, this is not good. I really don't want to hurt this. I'll set it down below for a moment. And I will lower the hood on this pet. And push it back ever so slightly. And now, inside is the oldest. No good reason, but I'll plug in the data set. At least I think I will. Okay. Oh, okay. This could be challenging. See, these things, they're tough at times when you get them all lined up. To get them to close without touching. Okay, give that a little tweak. And that is down. Now, we will not grab the data set. We'll go over here, lift the leg. I think this is the one that likes to fall down. It is. So I'll just set it on the desk. And I will grab the data set. And I will very carefully, with tremendous care and reverence. And you know what? There's another thing on the data set. This new thing pesters me. It's got this ground strap that I'm sure was necessary in some land for something. Okay. I'll rewind. Press stop. Press the shift run. Press play. And we are searching. What happened there? Okay, we have found we are loading. And in a moment it will be done. Okay, now that is done. I can pull this out. I can set this again carefully down here. And I can close this. Maybe tweak it a little this way. Now, this one, I can reach behind. It seems a little bright. This one seems a little dim. So I'll crank it up a bit. Alright, so we now have 3 out of 4. Up. Hello. Oh, that's open. And now, here, eject. We'll get this cassette in here. We'll rewind. We'll reach up. We'll find the shift run stop. We'll gotta think of it. Which is the play? Okay. This one is the play. It is searching. It should find. It should load. It should. It should. It has found Commodore. It is loading. And it is running. I press stop. And perhaps because I'm here, because I can, I'll rewind and press stop. And then I do have some extra stuff in here. I do not want to cause issues with any of this stuff. I do not. Such as screwdriver, excuse me, screwdriver, little lamp. I think we're okay. So I'm going to reach back here. And push this back a little bit, if I can, without causing trouble. Alright. And now here it is. So I've got a light here. I've got to move here. Okay, you can sit back down there. Let's see if we can do this. Excuse me. Alright, maybe we can get all these in. Maybe. Possibly I need to move back a little further. Possibly. There's the deoxit. Certainly this could go down a bit. You don't need to see that. There we go. Oh, hang on. You, come back. I think I need a little deoxit deep inside there. Let me tweak this a hair. So there we have, hello, 4 original 8K pets, all working. 3 of them have tiny keyboards. 1 of them has big keyboard. But I think it was altered. I think it was. Anyway, there they are. All 4. And they're all proudly proclaiming, World of Commodore, World of Commodore. This one. Right, Penny, I see you somewhere. Hang on, excuse me. I'm going to try and... There, make that a little brighter. And they're all similar. Maybe this one could be... down just a tweak. We don't need them too bright. Hi, Penny. Penny, look. Penny, you're in the pet room. And all the pets are here. Okay, Penny, do you want to come up? Okay, hang on a second here. Just a moment. Penny. Where is Penny? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? I can't see you. Okay, Penny. No. Don't run away. Don't run away, sir. No. The people want to see them. No. Penny, I'm trying. Penny. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Come here. Come here. Oh, it's Penny. Penny is here. Isn't it lovely? Penny, look. Look, this pet has not worked in decades, and it's working now. You want to go up? Want to go up and walk around a little? There's room on the keyboards. There is. Maybe even on the top. Yes, aren't they nice to scratch up against? Aren't they? There's Penny and the pets. Hang on. There you go, Penny. You're gonna come walk along? You're gonna walk along, Penny? Hmm? I know there's stuff here. I know. You can come up here. You can. You can walk. You can get on top of them if you like. I know you've done that before. Penny, come here. Penny. Penny. Penny, are you... Oh, what do you watch? Are you... Oh, you like the big keyboard, huh? Well, so did most people. What are you exploring there, Penny? Are you scratching your head? That's Penny. Okay, Penny, come on over here. Penny, cat scan time. Maybe, possibly, cat scan time. No. Hi. Why don't you come over here? Why don't you come over here? Come on. Oh. Penny's going up. What do you think, Penny? Oh. There's wires and things down there. Maybe, although this doesn't look good for a second. We should tweak this up a bit. There's Penny. Penny. Penny, hi. Why don't you come over here? Why don't you come over to this one? Why don't you turn around? Talk to us, Penny. Yes, they have nice edges to rub up against. I know they do. I know. Aren't they lovely? So, gee, maybe when I get a moment. Oh, what happened here? Penny, did you do something here? Run. Okay. Maybe I did something. Maybe when you got up. Anyway, it stopped running. It's running again now. Penny. So now I guess I need to look at Dusty Rusty Crusty and see, and the other board. Hello, Penny. So I think I have two more boards of this sort. I think. Right, Penny? And so now I got to figure out what chips are missing. And definitely I'm missing some chips because there were some bad ones. Remember, there was... Hello, Penny. There was 4 bad ROM chips and one... Oh, what else was there? There's one in another. I must think. Some things I'm sure I can snag from other things. The ROM chips will be more difficult, but not impossible. Remember, there was Basic 1 and Basic 2. And, let me think about that. I think this one way down at the end has Basic 2. The rest have Basic 1 except Dusty Rusty Crusty, I think, has Basic 2. I think. And the other, I'm not sure. So, wow. It's a miracle. This pet is working. Now, the data set, not so. I've never had one like this. It's very early. And I figure what I need to do is open it up and have a look and see what's what. And also, the thing that's different from what I can just tell eyeballing it up, the cut in the case is different. So for this one to be complete, it's really got to have another data set like this, or this one needs to be fixed. Now, it does make the sound. I am very hopeful that it is working. It's just that the belt has disintegrated over the ages. Penny, what do you think? You think it's just going to be a belt? Hey. What's going on here? What's going on here? This one. The screen has gone away. Hello. And now, oops, it's not coming back. Oh dear. Oh, we were so close. I'm going to turn this off for a second. Oh, just a tight penny. And then I'll wait. I'll turn it back on. Oh no. Okay, something is doing strange things in there. And I don't know what, because there's nothing there to do strange things. Something has failed. Great. Beautiful. Lovely. Damn. We were so close. So close. Wait. I'll turn this back on. Where are you going there, Penny? Yeah, the screen is now full of weirdness. Well, it could be a bad RAM chip. I don't know if you can see that there. The screen is full of weirdness. Oh, so I pushed on a RAM chip in the screen RAM socket, and then strange things appeared. Okay, so we're testing. Okay, I suspect we have a slightly wonky screen RAM chip, or the other thing, of course, is I should really open this thing up, take out the screen RAM chip, spray it with deoxit, and see what's what. There was another time this machine started to do strange things, and I thought it was RAM, but it didn't seem to come back as RAM, but maybe it, anyway. Funny how one little, tiny thing, one little speck of micro corrosion can cause all kinds of trouble in the world. Anyway, thanks for coming to the pet room. It's a great day. It's a great day in the pet room. It is. The other thing, machines are working fine. This one is still doing its thing, but you know what? I think it's just, we're going to do some deoxiting. We will. So thanks so much for being here. Thanks for coming. We'll see you again soon in the pet room. So keep in mind, if you're looking for a pet like this, I'm not sure which, I'm not sure what, but I'm going to, yes, I mean, the whole point of a lot of this was, as some people would snarkily say, well, nobody needs 39 pets. But I'll let you in on a little secret. It's now 40. Don't tell anyone. And this may be true. But anyway, I have saved them, I have preserved them, and now I am restoring them, and I will be pleased to sell some of them. Like I figure out of the now 40 pets, in the end, I suspect maybe I'll have 4 or 5. We'll see. Anyway, thanks again. David Bradley in the pet room. Signing off. Bye for now.